Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about where to get and how to get those totems in Roblox Dig. So currently, I'm going to be in the shore. To get here, Foxtown's going to be right there. Just get down Foxtown. First, turn on the right. Keep going until you see this shore. Now, once you're in here, just go on the left side of the shore. You're going to see those barracks right there. Alright? Just as a disclaimer, you can only get a set of number totems on that part right there. Other totems can be get offshore or off island by riding the ferry and getting to another island. However, you can only ride that ferry if you're having enough level and stats. Also, the others can be claimed through various prizes and claims per week. So there's going to be, I think, 4 shops there, and choose the one on the farthest right. This one right here. So once you get inside, you're going to check that totem. As you can see, the chronos, and just beside it, that will be the glistening token. And that should do it. Others can be get through the buy store, which is going to be the game passes, and the totem should be right there. You can just check it right here.